Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to group in Bluebeam. Now, if you've added multiple markups to a PDF and want to move, resize, copy, or rotate as a single object, Bluebeam Review lets you group them together. Now, grouping is especially useful for creating reusable symbols, organizing annotations, and keeping related markups together. Now, here's how you do it. Launch a Bluebeam Revit desktop and open the PDF containing the markups that you want to group. Now I have these markups and this is a PDF. Now select two or more markups using any of these methods I'm going to show you. So hold shift and click each markup. Have another one. All right, so hold shift and select one at a time. So use the select. You can also use the select tool and drag a selection box around the markups. You can use lasso tool to draw an irregular selection around the markups. You can use multiple items directly from the markup list. So all the markups, see they've been selected. All the markups you want to combine should now be selected. Now, once the markups are selected, use any of those methods I'm going to show you. First, right click. So right click on one of the selected markups and just go ahead and choose group. All right, and you see that it has grouped these two, so I can move and do whatever thing I want to do with this markup, or you can actually use Control G on your keyboard, or you can even open the properties panel which you have in here and click on group on that option section, or in the markup list just right click one of the selected markups and choose group. So after grouping a single selection box around it, you can see this single selection box around it surrounds all the markup, and the group behaves as one object when you move or resize it. So in the markup list, which we have down here, select the grouped item. You see that the grouped items appear as a single entry named group. So with an arrow, you can expand to actually view the individual markups. You can see the pen and the notes have been grouped. So you can actually move or resize. I don't know why this whole thing is just okay. See, you can double click, double tap it and move it and resize and do whatever thing you want to do. Just drag anywhere to the anywhere on the group markup to move it. You can resize it. You can drag one of the corner handles. You can drag one of the corner handles to maybe increase the size. Now every markup in the group scales and moves together while maintaining its relative position. So that's how it works. Now you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.